Right, just want to make a quick explanation of what tabs are in case you don't know. Um, it's just a useful way to have multiple, in this case, web pages open at the same time and be able to quickly flick between multiple pages without having to open and close the whole browser each time. So if we look at this screen, we've got Google here, and if I look at this up in there, it says new tab. So this is a tab. It's like the tab on a binder. So what that means is I could say I want to open up a page and go to the BBC for whatever reason. Then I can click on new tab on the plus up here, and then I could go to another website. So let's say ITV, and so now I'm on the ITV website. And if I want to go back to the BBC one, obviously I can just go up here and click on this tab to go back to it. And so I can open up as many tabs as needed. So if you were, for example, researching something, you could do lots of Google searches, each one in its separate tab, and then you can flick between the tabs as required. So this tab concept is something that goes across multiple apps. So it's on, you'll find it all over the place. It's in, like if you think of WhatsApp on your phone, you've got 5 tabs, I think it is, along the bottom, like settings, chat, and a few other things. So just like this, it's got separate tabs for separate things that you need to do. If I randomly pick another program like this stocks program, so it's just displaying the graph of a stock there. But if you look along the top here, let me zoom in, we've got tabs, and each tab shows a separate piece of information regarding this Google stock. So the tabs allow you to have multiple sets of data on one particular thing at the same time, and it's allowing you to quickly look or swap between those tabs as you need to. So that's just the concept, and so you are gonna bump into it when you're browsing the internet. You're gonna see these tabs, so make use of them because they're useful if you don't know about them. If you don't need a tab, you can just click the little X here and it'll disappear, and you can just get rid of all of them except one main one that you're using if that's the way you work. But yeah, that is the concept. Hope it helps. Cheers.